Hello, my name is Susan Gardner and I am the Young Adult Librarian here at the Camarillo Public Library. Welcome to our first Teen Take and Make craft video, where this video is an accompaniment to the craft activity that you can pick up at the Camarillo Public Library's Children's Desk for Teens. So our first craft we will be making is an Among Us felt pencil topper. We'll be making a different craft every Wednesday, and the videos will be available for prolonged periods of time on our YouTube channel. We will also share them on our social media accounts. And if you're able to pick up a craft, you'll be able to get the pieces so that you can make your craft. If you run out, they are while supplies last. You can still make them if you are able to get the materials that you need, which is felt, glue, and then some sort of applicator for the glue. I'm going to be using a cotton swab. So here we go. So the pieces that you will need are a black felt Among Us person, 2 colored felt Among Us people. It can be the same color or it could be different colors if you want to have it double-sided and have different colors on either side. 1 small white piece that's going to act as the visor of the Among Us person. And in your craft kit, you will find an assortment of hats that are available in the Among Us game. There will also be a cotton swab applicator, a double-sided one, and a little pot of glue. There will also be instructions in case you don't want to watch this video or in case I go too fast or it's too confusing for you. There are step-by-step instructions as well as a secret code, which I will talk about later in the video. So the first step is you're going to open up your little glue pot, and then you're going to get your little black felt person, and first you're going to put a line of glue around the outside, making sure you don't get glue on the feet at the bottom. So you'll make sure you get glue around the edge like so. Then you'll get one of the colored ones and you'll make sure you line it up with the backpack. And then you're going to hold that down for a little bit, making sure the glue dries. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer than other times for the glue to dry. You can either wait for it to dry or you can keep moving on and just put something heavy on top of your craft after you're done. So the next step, flip it over so that you're seeing the black one again, and then you're going to put glue. You can either do it the exact same way that you did before, or you can put more that's covering a wider perimeter if you don't want it to be double-sided. I did it so that there's a little more glue, so it's a little more sturdy on one side. Then you're going to make sure that you line it up with the backpack, and you're going to hold it down. So the next step is you want to decide whether you want your Among Us person to face left or right. I have 2 options. I am going to make it so that the side you put the pencil on is the side that he's facing. So you're going to get your little white felt piece and you're going to put glue all along that piece on one side. Like so. And then you're going to put it down. Not too close to the top of the head so that it looks like it's his eyes. And then the next step is optional, but if you want to customize your Among Us person and give a hat, you can pick one of the hats that's included in your kit. You can either have the hat go all the way on the felt, or you can do it like I'm going to do it, and I'm only going to put glue on the very bottom so that it's sticking out off the top of the head, like so. And there you have it. There is your felt Among Us pencil topper. And if you're joining our summer reading club, which just started on Saturday, if you put in the secret code EJECT, you'll get 100 points just for watching this video. If you are able to get a kit, then you'll be able to get another code for another 100 points. And we will be making a different craft activity every week. If we have leftovers, then we'll have the previous ones available. If we don't have any leftovers, then you'll have to get the materials yourself, because it is while supplies last. We have very limited materials available. And I really hope you enjoy our Teen Take and Make craft activities that we're going to be having this summer. If you are a fan of Among Us and you would like to join the library's Discord, we will be playing Among Us this Friday, and it's a very friendly and very safe environment where teens can come, hang out, talk, and every Friday we're going to be doing a different game. We are going to be theming our craft with our game this week with Among Us, so I hope you join. And have a very fun summer. Happy reading. Bye.